This is Xian from DC International School. Today, I'm going to make a presentation and my topic is comprehensible input through videos for lower level language classes. Okay, so the term comprehensible input should not be unfamiliar to all of our language teachers. According to Dr. Stephen Krushen, people acquire spoken fluency not by practicing talking, but by understanding input, by listening and reading. And he strongly believes that language acquisitions does not require extensive use of conscious grammatical rules and does not require tedious drill. And especially for lower language classes learners, we believe that we should provide the students with an environment where kids can naturally acquire the language versus how when we were kids, we were learning language. We learn about the grammatical structures, you know, and whenever we try to talk in a target language, we try to think about the grammatical structure first. And I'm a strong believer in that. And in my Chinese classes, I have been constantly trying to give my kids meaningful and effective and difficulty suitable comprehensible input to my students. So today I'm going to share with my colleagues one strategy that I have been using and practicing for 6 years. So today's objective, there will be two. First, you will know how to give students effective comprehensible input with comprehensible input embedded video clips and matching work tasks. The second objective is you will be able to use Adobe Spark to make a CI embedded video clip. Okay, so let's dive right in. So what is a comprehensible embedded video? Those are a few things I think can represent my belief, and I made all of those videos for my beginning level Chinese class. So let's look at some of them.
你做什么工作？你做什么工作？
你好，你做什么工作？
你好，我是律师。
你好，你做什么工作？我是老师。你好，你做什么工作？
我是家庭主妇。
你好，你做什么工作？
我是老师。
你好，你做什么工作？
我是老师。
你好，你做什么工作？我是医生。
你做什么工作？
我是一个老师。
Okay, so that's one of the example, which I finished with a collaboration with a few other colleagues that I went to Start Talk program with a few years ago. So you can, of course, do it with collaboration with other people, but with the limitation of like we're not always be with our colleagues. Of course, you can make videos independently, which is more flexible. So let's look at some independent video examples, which I made with Adobe Sparks. And this one I just made it, I think last month.
上几年级？你上几年级？我上10年级。我上10年级。你上几年级？你上几年级？我上12年级。我上12年级。你上几年级？你上几年级？我上2年级。我上2年级。
Okay, so here's another example, and we can switch to a video clip where there's no question-answer pattern.